dinner. I'm making taco bowls. So I got the ground turkey on, corn, brown rice, and then I'm gonna make some black beans. But just getting dinner. I did go ahead and do my nails. I didn't record it because I'm still trying to figure out this process, and I don't want to show you guys until like I know exactly how it works and how long it's gonna last. But I think this should get me through the weekend. But I'll have everything that I use linked below. I'll also list some of the TikToks that I use to figure out how to do it, so that you guys have something to reference back to at least. But it took me about, I would say about 2 hours, maybe about an hour and a half. These are the tips that come with the gel kit that I use. I couldn't find my almond shaped nails, which is what I really wanted. So these I had to cut the length a little bit and shape them. But just want to go ahead and finish cooking dinner. I am currently watching Steel Magnolias or Sweet Magnolias or whatever it's called. Honestly, I haven't been paying attention to this episode. I don't know what's going on, but so far it's a good show. I am a little annoyed every time I see Jamie Lynn's face, but other than that, I'm enjoying it. And I didn't know that the one lady on there is Heather Headley, which I love her music. I didn't realize it was her until I saw her name. I was like, wow, that's why she looks familiar. But yep, that's what I'm doing. Dinner all done. So I have beans, ground turkey, corn, brown rice, lettuce, a little sour cream, and taco sauce over. And I'll mix everything up as I eat. Just wanna Hello guys, I'm getting ready. I'm on my lunch break, but I'm doing my hair just so I can have that done for tonight. So I have this Revlon waver here. I got this off of Amazon. I'll have it linked in the bio. Sorry if it's kind of loud. I'm washing clothes, so hopefully you can hear me. This is my second tool from Revlon. I also have the Revlon brush. And now I have the Revlon waver. This is what it looks like. It only has, only has the 2 barrels. I've seen ones that have 3, but this one has just the 2. First, I'm gonna just comb through it. This is a lace frontal wig. I've had this for about a year. I think I got it around this time last year. So it's still holding on. It is starting to shed quite a bit now. Like, I don't know if you guys can see all this hair. So it probably won't last too much longer. I probably won't just wear it for too much longer. Take it by sections because I want, like I said, it is shedding a lot. So I want this waves to give me more body, so the hair looks fuller than what it really is. Tiny bit of gots to be. I don't want to spray too much because we know how well that actually freezes your hair. Let's go ahead and see how this bad boy works. It's only been a couple of minutes as far as heat, so I may need to have it warm up some more, but we're gonna try it and see what it does. Hardest part's trying to make sure that I'm getting, you know, in between. I'm not making sure I hit every part of the wave. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna let this warm up just a little bit more. I don't want to turn up the heat anymore. Oh, actually I do want to turn the heat up some more. Only had it on 1. I thought I had already turned it up. So we're gonna let that warm up a little bit more. Okay, let's go back in and try this. Yeah, that's better. And try, like how I keep combing through, don't do that because it just messes up the wave. So try not to pull, because this isn't like really clamping on this too hard. So if you're constantly like doing that, it's just gonna pull it out of the loop. Side. I'm gonna show you guys this piece here, and then I'm gonna go through and do some more of my head, and then I'll come back to you guys like in the middle. I have my head done, half my head done. I just have this little section left. I'm not gonna comb it out because like I said, I have to finish working. So I'm just gonna spray it again with some hairspray. And I'm gonna have to do this side later because I have to get back to work. But once I like comb through and everything, I'll show you guys. Hi guys. This is such a weird angle. I'm laying in the bed, as you can see. And I was editing the vlog. I was talking about how I was supposed to go to the Celebrity All-Star game today, but I didn't end up going. I'm gonna explain why I did not go. I feel like I've talked about this in my videos before, but I have like really bad anxiety, like really bad. And thanks to the pandemic and just other things, my anxiety has been a lot worse than it was before. And now it's like becoming an issue. So I was getting ready. As you guys saw, I was doing my hair on my lunch break. And then I was getting ready like right at the end of work so that I could go and then take my COVID test before the game. But just in the process of getting ready and thinking about how I'm going to have to stand in line for the COVID test. And then I'm going to have to go back and stand in line to get into the event. And then I'm going to have to go, just think about it now. And then I'm going to have to go and then stand in a crowd of people to watch the game was just a lot. And it's not because of, I don't know, maybe it's because of COVID. Maybe because of what just happened with my aunt. I don't know, but it was like, it was a lot. And I was having troubles getting dressed. And I was in the process looking for a certain pair of shoes, and I couldn't find the certain pair of shoes. And just everything kind of sent me into like a whirlwind. And I was just like, I can't go. And I feel really bad because like my friends all went. I paid money for the ticket. That's just gone now. But I just couldn't, I couldn't go. And the one thing that I told myself when I turned 30 was that I was going to make sure I was listening to what my body, my intuition was telling me, and I just felt like if I went and I put myself in that situation, I was going to have a panic attack in public, and I did not want to do that. That's why I did not go to the All-Star game. And it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a lot. Like, I don't think a lot of people understand when I say, like, my anxiety stops me from doing stuff, because they're just like, okay, whatever. Everybody has anxiety, but, like, it's really bad. And I've always been able to push through it, but after this whole pandemic thing, I also think it has a lot to do with me gaining weight and me just not being happy with what I look like. Like, all of that plays a factor into me wanting to leave my house. Even something as simple as going to the grocery store is like a task for me, because I don't want to leave my house. And I don't know, now that I'm working from home, I don't know if that plays into it as well, but yeah. So I had a really bad anxiety attack. I had a panic attack, and then I just had like really bad anxiety, and I decided not to go, and I feel really bad. I didn't go with my friends. I'm also really upset that I like lost money because I bought these tickets and I didn't go. But yeah, so like I said, I was editing the video before this, and I said I was going to explain in this video, so I just want to kind of tell you guys about what happened. But right now I'm just watching Sweet Magnolias on Netflix. Finish editing this video, and then I will talk to you guys tomorrow.